Today I'm all about the coleslaw, but not just any coleslaw. I am looking for something that's more along the lines of a Greek-inspired version. Now, there's a million different recipes for this. I think this Greeked up version you're really gonna like. It's a little bit of a play on the original, but super delicious. So, first things first, I can tell you, I will enlist the help of my food processor. You can chop everything and slice everything by hand, but why? It's gonna be a pain in the ass. So, if you have one of these puppies, you will really appreciate this recipe. It's all gonna done in like a bowl with a simple olive oil, red wine vinegar, mayonnaise base dressing. It's gonna be fantastic. So, to get the show on the road, first things first, I'm gonna take a little bit of white cabbage and I'm just gonna start processing it up in my food processor. We're pretty much done with the cabbage, nothing to this at all. Now, here's the trick to this recipe. You're gonna remove the blade for the slicing attachment and you're gonna put the grating attachment. And why am I doing this? Because I don't want my onion, which is going into this, or my carrot to be sliced. I want them to be actually grated. So choose the biggest setting of grating you have, throw that in there just like that, and cover this off. So next, my carrot. Just drop that in there. Nothing to this. My onion is next. Again, just quarter up your onion and just throw it in there. Perfect. Just like that. Nothing to this. So in this time, I've prepared my veggies, and if you get a big one like this, no big deal. You can just eat it. Now, look at the color of this thing here. The white of the cabbage, the orange of the carrot. It's absolutely fantastic. Get this out of the way. Just pour it in here. Beautiful. The next phase of this is the actual dressing. So I'm just going to take this and leave this side here. And in another little bowl, I'm going to take about half a cup of mayonnaise. Now, in my case here, here's the thing. I've discovered, not discovered, but I recently started using the olive oil mayonnaise. It's actually fantastic, and it's got, look at this, I'm scraping the bottom here. And it's got like an absolutely beautiful flavor that I absolutely love. So, half a cup of mayo goes in there. Half a cup, or give or take, a third of a cup to half a cup of Greek extra virgin olive oil will go in there. A generous amount of salt, along with the pepper. This recipe loves pepper. And very simply, that should be enough there. You're going to do about a quarter of a cup of red wine vinegar, or so. Nice little splash there. And of course, no recipe would be complete without a little oregano. Not much. You want maybe like a teaspoon in this. Just enough to give you that little background buzz or that hum. So grab a whisk here and real quick, just give this a real quick mix up here. And it's going to give you a beautiful consistency. It's going to be like a nice velvety, oh, it's going to be fantastic. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Oh, fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. So, perfect. Just like that. Now, let's just incorporate it into our coleslaw here. And just, let me just mix that all in here. And I like to go generous on my coleslaw or my dressings, my salad dressings in general. Who wants like a dry salad? Not a good thing at all. Little little tongs here and just start mixing it around. Now, this is gonna taste even better in a couple of hours once all the flavors have married and incorporated. Look at this, absolutely fantastic. That's it, my friends. Now, oh, let me take the, oh geez, look at this whole thing of cabbage here. All right, let me see this now. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Why not present since we're here? I'm just going to take my bowl and just nice and easy, just serve it up. White is also nice because it will bring out the colors of the salad as well when you present as well. I would throw in a little bit of parsley on top, or even dill will work. And that's perfect, just like that. So you have like this nice, super fresh salad, ready in no time, and it's absolutely delicious. All right, so now that this is in its final bowl, one more trick up my sleeve. Feta. We can't forget the feta. And in this, I'm just using a small piece, maybe 80 grams. So to Greeks, that's a small piece. I'm just going to crumble this on top, and you can use either parsley to garnish or a little bit of feta, just like that. Let me take a little bit of this towel here. And lastly, a little drizzle of my Greek extra virgin olive oil, just like that. And my friends, Bobby's your uncle. So that's it for this episode. Quick episode on how to make a Greek-inspired coleslaw. Very easy to make, super delicious. Like, this is crazy good. And you know what? You can do a lot of things with this. You can make it for yourself. You can take it to people. It's perfect for potlucks or buffets. It's fantastic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this, hit that like button and subscribe. Check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com for this recipe and many more. I'm always adding new recipes, so check back often. And until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.